Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both computers and devices so the restore won't fail midstream. First, update iTunes or Finder and verify your computer's internet is stable, because downloads must complete without interruptions. Once done, charge the watch to at least 50% and keep the paired iPhone within Bluetooth range. Restore requires communication. Make sure you have your Apple ID and passcodes handy, plus a reliable Lightning or USB-C cable. These basics prevent common preventable errors. You now perform the core restore steps. First, force the watch into recovery by holding the side button and digital crown until recovery appears. This ensures you access the restore option. Then connect the watch to your computer with a cable and open Finder or iTunes. Select the watch when it shows up. Choose Restore and sign in with your Apple ID so activation can proceed. Monitor the download and installation. Do not disconnect or close the app while files transfer to avoid corrupting the firmware. Finish by pairing and verifying your watch complete setup. Once the device restarts, pair it with your iPhone and choose to restore from backup or setup as new depending on data integrity. Then, check watch OS version and app sync status and confirm health and activity data are present. If something goes wrong, retry the process on a different computer or with Apple Configurator and record any error codes that appear. That error code is the key troubleshooting clue to report or search for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.